Okay, everyone, a quick guess the year quiz. All you got to do is guess the year. And if you don't know, just guess. Easy, most of these will be easy. All of them will be guessable. So just guess. I'll wait for 2 minutes and I'll start. They are going to be easy to guess. Just wait for a couple of people to come in and then we'll start asking questions. Guess the year quiz, nice and easy. Hello Orange, nice to see you. Thanks for the poll suggestion. I think it's general knowledge winning at the moment. But at the moment, we're going to do a guess the year quiz, nice and easy. If you don't know, just guess. Anybody can play. I'll just wait 1 more minute and see if anybody else comes in, and then I'll start asking some questions. And these will all be easy, I think. Well, most of them will be easy anyway. We shall see. Just wait for 1 or 2 more people to come in, if anybody's about. And then I'll ask some questions. So quick, one sip of my drink. Just thirsty, that's all. Hello, Paul. Nice to see you again, Paul. Guess the year quiz. And in a few seconds, I'll just ask one. Just type in the year. And if you don't know, just guess. It's going to be nice and easy, this quiz. The other day, we had a year question and people seemed to enjoy it. So I thought I'd do this whole quiz on one. Okay then. First question. In which year did the London Olympics take place? The most recent one. What year was that? The most recent London Olympics. Type your answer in. Get a point. Nice and easy. 2012. Orange. Well done, Orange. 2012 Olympics. Yep, that's right. 2012 Olympics. Okay. In which year did World War II end? In which year did World War II end? I told you these are easy. They're not all going to be this easy. But which year did World War II end? No, not 1944. Which year did World War II end? It's the 80th anniversary this year. Might be a clue. 1945. Well done, Orange. Get another point. In which year did Elvis Presley die? In which year did Elvis Presley die? Anybody can play. Just type your answer in or guess. Which year did Elvis Presley die? Not 1967. Good guess. But a bit more recent than that. 77. Well done, Paul. 1977. Elvis died. Another singing one. And which year did John Lennon die? John Lennon of the Beatles. And what year did he die? John Lennon. Which year did John Lennon die? Assassinated. 1980. Well done, Paul. I thought you'd know that one. 1980. This one's a bit topical because I think there's a Netflix about this one. In which year was the Battle of Hastings? In which year was the Battle of Hastings? All British people will know this one. But which year was the Battle of Hastings? 1066. Paul was first, but well done, George Coleman. And Blue Platypus, Lone Wolf Pepper, lots of playing now. You can all play, but it's the first one on my screen gets the point. This one's a bit harder. In which year was the Magna Carta signed? In which year was Magna Carta signed? A very important document. But what year was it signed? The Magna Carta. Which year was the Magna Carta signed? If you don't know, just type in any year at all. Not 1704. A lot more further away in the past than that. Not 1066. 1205 is close, Orange. 1205 is really close. But you're about 10 years out. But Orange is the closest so far. 1205. Magna Carta. When was it signed? What year? Add 10 years onto Orange. 12-15. Well done, Orange. 12-15. Okay, if you can like the quiz, get more players in. Next one. In which year was the modern Premier League formed? The Premier League. When did it start? Not the Football League, but the Premier League. And what year was that? The English Premier League. Not the Football League, that was the 1888. 1992, well done, Paul. 1992. Blue Platypus, yeah, you're thinking of the Football League, but yeah, the Premier League was 1992. It's the same thing, really. But there we go, next one. In which year did Edward VIII abdicate the throne? In which year did Edward VIII abdicate the throne? Sorry, I can't speak very well. When did Edward VIII abdicate? What year was that? Anybody can play? Type your answer in, guess. Not 1578. Not 1965. Edward VIII abdicated the throne and he was replaced by George